So, this is my remix on the EZ-PZ of Luckyman. So, what is the addition that I have made? Why, of course, it is a microswitch. This microswitch you can use to probe the bed instead of just manually leveling it. Of course, you are going to need to manually level it, but for more accurate leveling, you can just use this. The offsets are going to be in the description. Now I'm going to explain what you are going to do after you have printed this. After you printed the duct, you are going to notice that there is a bit of support right here where I'm pointing my finger at. You will need to remove that because that's just support material which I have added in, so you don't have to turn on your support settings. Now, if you have a slicer like Cura and your overhang angle is 45 degrees, this part right here will be supported. You can also turn off that support because it will probably just be fine. This is printed out of PETG. I recommend you print it out of PETG because it can resist higher temperatures. This part right here, this is where you mount your microswitch to. You can mount it to the back or to the front. This part is the dovetail. The dovetail will just slot into these slots right here. This is if you want to probe your bed, you're going to put it into this slot, the lower slot. If you just want to print something without probing, you just put it right here, so it doesn't interfere with anything. The probe, if you put it inside of the lower position, is going to extend just below the nozzle. This is why I recommend you use my improved design, so you can better adjust your nozzle. It's not really optimal, but I'm going to zoom like that. I think you can see it, that it is a tiny bit off of the bed, the nozzle. Well, it should be, okay? Just trust me, it's gonna be. So my Z offset is 0.4, but yours is gonna be different, because if you use my improved design, you are able to adjust this part better. Why I made the improved design, you can see this heater block. This part was interfering with the heater block, so I needed to change that. Well, I hope this video has been helpful, and I hope my English wasn't that broken. So yeah, happy 3D printing.